Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. Last class I was discussed hybridization trick. I was applied only inorganic compounds like ammonia, carbon tetrachloride, carbon dioxide and other compounds. I given detailed explanation all compounds, maximum compounds I was covered. Now today I want to discuss organic compounds hybridization. I want to apply trick in organic compounds, carbon containing compounds. So hybridization in organic compounds. I want to start hybridization. Organic compounds means carbon containing compounds are known as organic compounds. Carbon containing compounds are known as organic compounds. Generally, carbon atomic number is 6. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2p2 only. This is general electronic configuration. 2s2, 2p2 is the outer shell orbital. Outer shell orbital number of electrons are only 4. So generally outer shell orbital, s orbital and p orbital only there. But so carbon compound containing which does not follows d orbital hybridization and f orbital hybridization. D orbital hybridization and f orbital hybridization. Generally carbon compounds which undergoes only sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp, sp2, sp3. sp means the sum of powers equal to 2, sp2 means the sum of powers equal to 3, sp3 means the sum of powers equal to 4. Now I want to apply trick. Hybridization which is equal to carbon attached number of atoms plus lone pairs, number of lone pairs plus number of lone pairs. Maximum number of lone pairs 99.9%. We should not identify number of lone pairs in carbon compounds. Okay, only 0.1% only there carbon compound having lone pairs. Okay, this is the trick for hybridization, identification of hybridization in organic compounds. Carbon attached to number of atoms plus number of lone pairs only. So hybridization of carbon containing compounds hybridization. Here example I want to take CH4 methane. So generally methane is alkane. So which having how many hydrogens? So 4 hydrogens around the carbon. So what is our trick? Hybridization trick. Hybridization which is equal to carbon attached number of atoms. Carbon attached number of atoms here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus number of lone pairs are 0, that is equal to 4. 4 means the sum of powers equal to 4. Which type of hybridization? That methane undergoes sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means so trigonal tetrahedral shape. The shape of the molecule is tetrahedral shape and bond angle is 109 degrees. So 5 minutes. Second example, CH2 double bond CH2. This is one type of alkene. Ethene. So I want to give numbering for 1 for 2. Here I want to apply hybridization for this first carbon. First carbon hybridization which is equal to how many carbons are there? 1 carbon. This first carbon hybridization, carbon attaching 1 carbon here. This carbon attaching one carbon. So because in hybridization pi bond is excluded, so only sigma bond is included. Here here two hydrogens are there. Here one carbon attached, again two hydrogens. Total how much? 3 plus 0 means 3 plus 0 means 3. That is equal to which type of hybridization? sp2. Sum of powers equal to 3 in which type of hybridization? So sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. In second carbon also, second carbon in ethene, second carbon in this, so in this, next in this CH2. Here also this carbon attached one carbon, this carbon attached one carbon. Remaining how many hydrogens are there? Two hydrogens are there. Carbon attached number of atoms, carbon attached number of atoms means here one carbon attached, again two hydrogens, means hybridization which is equal to 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0 means sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization means trigonal planar shape. 120 degrees is the bond angle. 120 degrees is the bond angle. Next I want to apply third is acetylene, HC triple bond CH, acetylene. Acetylene means this carbon hybridization which is equal to both carbons having triple bond. Triple bond means so sp hybridization. This carbon attached how many carbons? One carbon. Again one hydrogen. Remaining these two are pi bonds. Pi bonds are excluded. Okay. Carbon attached 1 plus 1 2 plus 0, that is equal to sp hybridization, which is shape? Linear shape. Which is shape? Linear shape. So I want to take one more example. CH2 double bond, CH2 double bond. I want to take one, give numbering 1 2 3. So first carbon hybridization, so hybridization which is equal to this carbon attaching carbon, again two hydrogens, means how many? 3 plus 0 means 3. So which type of hybridization is there in this carbon? First carbon, sp2 hybridization. Second carbon, so second C means second carbon. Second carbon attached, here one carbon is there, here one carbon is there. So second carbon hybridization which is equal to 2 plus 0, that is equal to which type of hybridization? sp hybridization. This is allene. So accumulated in this carbon undergoes sp hybridization, linear shape. Now third carbon. So third carbon hybridization which is equal to, here this carbon attached carbon, again two hydrogens are there. How many? 3 plus 0, no lone pair. Now nothing but sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. We want to take one more example. For example, this is the fifth example. Now CH2 fifth example, CH2 lone pair electron is there. This is carbene. So what is the hybridization in carbene? So what is the trick for hybridization? Hybridization which is equal to carbon attached number of atoms. This carbon attached how many hydrogen atoms? 2 hydrogen atoms. Now plus number of lone pairs. One lone pair is there. One lone pair means 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 1, 3 only. 3 means which type of hybridization? sp2 hybridization. Please remember that. In carbon hybridization is sp2. So how to calculate hybridization which is equal to carbon attached number of atoms plus number of lone pairs maximum. So number of lone pairs are not present on carbon, but only in carbon one lone pair is there, 99.9%. So number of lone pairs are so not present in carbon compounds, only 0.1% lone pairs are present on carbon. So just like carbene. For example, sixth example I want to take dichlorocarbene. This is dichlorocarbene. Same in dichlorocarbene also carbon attached to the two chlorine atoms. So 2 chlorine atoms means hybridization, which is equal to in dichlorocarbon. So 2 plus 1 lone pair is there, that is equal to 3. So what is the hybridization? sp2 hybridization. For example, in ketones, I want to take ketone also. Acetone means it's a molecular formula, general molecular formula CH3, C double bond O, CH3. I want to give numbering 1, 2, 3. They may ask second carbon hybridization is, second carbon means C double bond. In acetone, second carbon hybridization is, they may ask like this. Second carbon means I want to calculate first carbon. So first carbon hybridization, this carbon attached to this C double bond O group and 3 hydrogens means, so first carbon hybridization, which is equal to no lone pairs are there. So here total 4 no, 3 plus 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0, that is equal to 4 means sp3 hybridization. Second carbon means C double bond O group is there. In that C double bond O group, new pi bond is there. Pi bond is excluded in hybridization, already I given. Now this carbon attached to 1C, again this carbon attached to 1C, again this carbon attached to 1 oxygen. So total how many? 3 plus number of lone pairs are 0. 0 means 3 only. 3 means the hybridization of the C double bond. This C double bond means C double bond O group is sp2 hybridization. How means, once again, this carbon attached here 1 carbon, here 1 carbon 2. This carbon attached oxygen 3. So number of carbon attached number of atoms is 3. Number of lone pairs are 0. 3 plus 0 equal to 3. sp2 hybrid. So third carbon here. So carbon attached to the hybridization, which is equal to hybridization, which is equal to 4 plus 0, that is equal to sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. So this is about hybridization in different various organic compounds. Just follow this trick. Hybridization in organic compounds, just follow this trick. Hybridization, which is equal to carbon attached to number of carbon atoms plus number of lone pairs. Maximum 99% carbon doesn't have number of lone pairs. If any number of lone pairs are there, so follow this like this example, carbene and dichlorocarbene. Okay, so thank you. Please, if you like my video, like, share and comment, subscribe please. Thank you.